All right. We left off where I had built up this little pointy thing. Now, a little pointy thing goes in the hole, but it doesn't quite fit, so I need to touch it up a little bit with a file so it sits in there. So I'm going to do that next.
So you go one way when you're filing?
Yeah, that's the right way to file. Never file back and forth.
Is there a reason?
Yeah, you ruin the cutting edge.
Oh, on the file?
Yep.
Is that true even with like a wood rasp? Or is a wood rasp different where you can go both ways?
That's a good question. I usually do it on anything, but...
Not really super exciting, huh?
Well, it is for me. I can hardly stand the excitement.
Well, you're good at making little things fit in holes, I guess. I could keep going, but I'll stop.
Good thinking.
Is that good thinking or great thinking?
Great.
It's important to retain a sense of humor as you age. Can you see I'm not in your way, am I?
That's got to go a lot more down. You can see the space there.
Yep.
It should be closer to that.
Well, I'm Rustic Guy. That's the old timer. He is filing away to get this thing to fit together. We are at the end of the day, and it's almost beer time, and once he says I've had enough of this, we are done. We appreciate you watching. Cheers.